What if you could get your real estate investment funded in a matter of days, not weeks or months? What if you had a banking partner who actually understood the nuances of your business and could provide you with the capital you need when you need it? For too long, real estate investors have been stuck in a broken system. You spend countless hours filling out paperwork, jumping through hoops, and waiting on slow-moving banks that just don't get it. They treat you like a standard borrower, not a savvy entrepreneur who needs speed and flexibility. This isn't just frustrating, it's costing you deals. In a competitive market, a few days of delay can mean the difference between winning and losing. That's where Relay Bank comes in. We're not your typical bank. We're a digital-first banking platform built specifically for modern real estate investors. We've thrown out the old-school processes and replaced them with a streamlined, intelligent system designed to help you scale your portfolio. So, how do we do it? First, our application process is incredibly fast. You can apply online in minutes, and our automated systems work behind the scenes to get you a decision faster than you ever thought possible. We understand that time is money, and we're built to save you both. Second, we offer a range of products tailored to your needs, from bridge loans and fix and flip financing to lines of credit that give you the flexibility to seize opportunities as they arise. We're not a one-size-fits-all solution, we're a partner that adapts to your strategy. But what truly sets us apart is our deep understanding of the real estate market. Our team is made up of industry veterans who know what it takes to succeed. We speak your language. We understand the numbers. And we're committed to helping you navigate the complexities of your deals. We see ourselves as an extension of your team, providing not just capital but also insights and support to help you grow. Imagine this: you find a great off-market deal. You can apply for financing with Relay in the morning, get a decision by the afternoon, and have the funds in your account in a few days. That's the kind of speed and certainty that gives you a massive competitive edge. It's the difference between being a spectator and a player in the market. At Relay Bank, we're not just providing a service, we're building a new standard for real estate investing. We're giving you the tools to move faster, close more deals, and build the portfolio you've always dreamed of. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.